So we've got self-adhesives, woven loops, woven hooks, low profile plastic extruded hook and the low profile velours in self-adhesive and in sew-on. We have standard sew-on, woven loop, woven hook, specialist non-adhesive plastic extruded hook and high profile, specialist 2-in-1, a single hook and loop fastener on one tape, plastic, stretchy hook and loop, one wrap, the plastic hook with the velour loop, cable ties, die cut in a range of sizes and colours, ring straps in a range of sizes, colours and options.